Buddy, my name is Anna. I can read a book, Sleeping Animals. This is a bird. It can sleep on a branch. It can sleep with its head under its wing. This is a lizard. It can sleep on a branch. It can sleep heading up. This is a snake. It can sleep on a branch. It can sleep crawled up. This is a shark. It can sleep on the sea. It can sleep as it swims. This is a fish. It can sleep in water. It can sleep with its eyes open. This is a bat. It can sleep in a tree. It can sleep upside down. This is a fly. It can sleep anywhere. It can sleep standing up. This is a butterfly. It can sleep on a flower. It can sleep with its wings up. This is a mouse. It can sleep on a rock. It can sleep with its wings up. This is a tiger. It can sleep on the ground. It can sleep lying down. This is a koala. It can sleep on the branch. It can sleep curled up. Giraffe, seahorse, tortoise, kangaroo, parrot, hippopotamus. All animals sleep. They sleep in different places. They sleep in different ways. How do you think these animals sleep? Thank you for listening.